Yeah, you can turn the head around a little bit. Like, oh, yeah, you can turn the head. And I like doing this. Look how cool it looks. I like the detail. So yeah, I remember me getting this for Christmas. So yeah, this is the first one, this is the second, and this is the third. And I remember me getting this for my birthday when I was 13 years old, I guess. I think I was 13. And it has glitter on it. And the arms are a little squishy than the other one. So yeah, that's all I have to say for these three guys. And what else do I have? So yeah, I have the Godzilla 1954. I got Gamera. I got Jet Jaguar, and I also got Rodan. And let's see, here's the Jaguar. You can turn the arm around, and you can't turn the head. Oh yeah, you can turn the legs, you know, like, and the other arm. So yeah, you can only turn this and these two right here. It's really neat. And I remember my cousin Matt got this one too, because Jet Jaguar, that's his favorite, you know. And here's Gamera. You can't turn the head. When I was a kid, when I first watched that movie, Gamera the Invincible, I think Gamera is a cool giant monster, you know, and that's why I wanted a toy of him so bad. And you can turn this tail around. Ooh, scales. Wow. I like the detail. Huh. And here's Rodan. Oh, you can only turn the feet. And the detail looks good. And oh yeah, when I was a kid, I liked the back of the wings because it feels all smooth, you know, like, oh wow. And it's all squishy. And here's the 1954 Godzilla. You can turn the tail around like that. And I like the detail. That looks cool. So yeah, I remember this guy on Toy Wiz and that website, and I wanted him so bad. And I remember seeing this one and that one on Toy Wiz also. So yeah, that's all I have to say for these four guys. And so yeah, here's Orga from that movie Godzilla 2000, I believe. You can turn the tail around. And you can turn the arms. How do you... oh, there we go. I don't know what this line is right here. Whoa. that? You can open it or something? I don't know. And you can turn the legs. So yeah, this guy looks pretty cool. I like the detail and wow. And it has a blue head right here. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this guy. I remember actually I remember getting this for my 14th birthday, I believe. I think I was 14 when yeah. That's all I have to say for this guy, and look how cool he looks. Wow. Alright. I think I'm almost done, guys. Oh, here's this one. Okay. Here's King Caesar. Oh, you can't turn the tail. You can move the arms like that. I remember me getting this for Christmas when I was 14, I believe. Whoa. I like the detail. It looks really cool. Yeah. Alright, I think these are my last two. I have the Final Wars design Godzilla right here. And I also have this giant Mecha Godzilla, Karyu or something. Yeah, let's see. You can turn the head around like this. He's pretty big. I remember me getting these two guys for Christmas when I was like 10 years old, I believe. And I think that is where I got the that Mothra. Where is it? So yeah, I remember me getting this right here and these two toys for Christmas. You know. And you can turn the tail. This around. And you can move the legs. And I like the detail. Okay. Here's this Mecha Godzilla. Oh yeah, you can turn the tail. Not all the way around. You can turn it, and you can move the arms like that. Yeah. And you can't move the legs. Can't. And you can turn the tail. Yeah. I like the detail on it. That's a cool looking Mecha Godzilla. So yeah, guys, I think I'm all done. I think. What else do I have? So yeah, I cannot believe I had those toys for so many years. Like, I've been collecting Godzilla toys since I was like 9 years old, I believe. and I can't believe I still have them over the years. Like, so yeah, I think that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy it, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I hope you all have a great day, and good luck.